my name is Raecreates and I love to create and experiment. And if you are new here, welcome to the family. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this Gele headpiece. Guys, first off, Gele is very beautiful. There is no doubt about it, but it comes with a lot of stress. First of all, you have to look for someone to help you tie it if you don't know how to tie it. So both the tire and the tie, there's stress involved. Secondly, the headache that comes with Gele sometimes. Oh Lord. If you understand what I'm talking about, leave me a comment in the comment section. That's where I'm going to close that chapter. Thirdly, sometimes even your ears go involved in the headache. Guys, I was looking for a way to totally avoid this Gele thing for my friend's wedding. When she sent me her shabby, I'm like, hey God, I'm going to have to tie Gele again, and I don't want to. So I come across some of these pictures from people on Instagram where they had like this fancy headpiece made with their actual head. And I'm like, okay, let me give this a try out. You should know that I tried it with my heart in my mouth, because I was like, if this thing does not work, that means I'm supposed to Gele. And there was no remedy, so it had to work. I'm like, okay, let me give this a try and see how it turned out. And guys, it turned out so good, so well. Like, I got a lot of compliments from everybody. Okay, that's exaggerated, but I got a lot of compliments anyway. From when I came down from the car, people say they like my outfit. Like, shout out to my friend that made my outfit. My outfit turned out really, really good. And to people mouthing to me at the reception, like I looked so good and I knew it, and I got a lot of compliments to even like tell me that I looked so good. Anyways guys, enough of the story, let's just get right to the video.
This is the material needed for this DIY. I'm also going to leave a list in the description box, so please be sure to check it out. So the first thing you're going to need is your headband. This is the headband I got, so I took off the material and became like a plain headband. So the next thing you want to do is measure your headband, and I added about 2 inches to the measurements that I made. Then I used the same measurement to cut my AsoOke. So the next thing you want to do after cutting the AsoOke is to wrap the headband. So it was a bit wide, so I decided to cut it into 2. And I used 1/2 of the AsoOke to wrap the headband. This is what the headband looks after I finished wrapping it. Then the next thing I did was, there's still like a space left in between, so I just took the old material from the headband and I filled up that space. and we're done with the base. So the next thing you want to do now is form a bow. So if you know how to form a bow, this is pretty easy. So you just want to form some sort of folds at the middle point, sew one side together, then you're going to also repeat the same step at that same middle point so that it forms a bow. Properly give it that bow look, I also went around that middle point with the AsoOke again, then I sew down that part together. After doing that, the next thing I did was to make another layer of bow. Now if you do not want to make another layer, you just want one layer is fine, but I wanted 2 layers and I wanted them to be layered on top of each other, so I formed another fold at that same middle point on the left and on the right side. After doing that, I then cut off the remaining material, then I glued the bow that I had formed to the headband, and we're done.
Guys, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts. Will you be trying this out? Let me know in the comment section. Also, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please guys, give you a thumbs up so that YouTube knows that you like my video. Also, do not forget to subscribe. Very important. The subscribe button is that red button down there. Don't forget to press that red button down there. Thank you so much guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Peace.